What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be simplifying this imaginary number. So before we start simplifying, I just like to say to you, pause this video, simplify this problem, and let's see if you're gonna get the same answer as the one that you're going to get at the end of this video. Alright, before I simplify it, by the way, I just like to say thank you very much guys for watching, subscribing to the channel, commenting, and also sharing the videos. If this video helps you to understand these problems, do not forget to like the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, because there's more videos that I've done and more videos that I'm about to do in the future. Alright guys, so let's start solving this problem. Before we start though, I just want to alert you about this J, just in case you don't know. Imaginary number, sometimes it is indicated or represented by the J, sometimes I. So if you see J, it also means that this is also imaginary numbers. Alright, so before we solve this, you also need to understand exponents, especially this rule here. Let me just write it here very quickly. When you have a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m, this must give you a to the power of n plus m. Remember, this rule here says that if the bases are the same and they multiply each other, the exponent will add. The reason why you need to understand this rule here for exponents is because we are trying to deal with this exponent here. The exponent, as you can see, it's an odd number, right? So if it's an odd number like this, we try to have at least a base of j with an even number. So how can you do this using this rule? Here's how we can do it. We can say j to the power of 18 multiplied by j, right? If you use the same rule that I just showed you here, this is going to take you back to j to the power of 19. Now, the reason why we do this is because of the following step that I'm about to show you. We are going to do the following. We can say j to the power of 2, and then what is the number that when we multiply by 2, it's going to give us 18. So it's very simple guys. You just say 18 divided by 2 and it's going to give us 9. So when you say 2 multiplied by 9, it's going to take us to 18. You guys see it? But do not forget this j there. Alright, so the reason why we have to make j to the power of 2 is because of the following information. We know that j to the power of 2, or imaginary number to the power of 2, is equal to -1. Just in case you don't know where this is coming from, I made a video about imaginary number. In fact, it's an introduction about imaginary numbers. You can go and watch that video. That will pop up on the top right, and also it's on the description. So let's continue. So wherever there is j squared, we can substitute by -1, right, to the power of 9 multiplied by j, right? So from here, you just put this on a calculator. You say -1 to the power of 9. This is gonna give you -1, right, multiplied by j. So after this, your answer is -j. So that is your final answer. I hope you guys understand this. Guys, if it so happen that you didn't understand, you can pause and go back to that point where you didn't understand and rewatch it. If you have any comment, you can leave a comment as well. By the way, if this video really helped you to understand this, you don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. At the end of this video, there will be a playlist of imaginary numbers where we are solving, and also the complex number. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.